Hello students, welcome your chemistry class with chapter metals and non-metals. So in previous video you studied the topic that is malleabilities, that is the property of metals which can be beaten into thin sheet is called malleability. This is a characteristics, a property of metals, and as you can must notice materials like koila and pencil leads do not show this property. Can we call these metals? Can you hold a hot metallic pan with is without a plastic or wooden handles and not get hurt, and perhaps not? Why? Try to list some other experience in which a wooden or plastic handles protect you from being hurt while handling hot things. On the basis of these experience, what can you say about the conduction of heat by wooden or plastic? Here words meanings for conduction, that is a transfer of thermal energy through direct current. Direct contact, sorry, not direct current. Conduction means the transfer of thermal energy through direct contact. So here see, you must have seen an electrician using his screwdrivers, and what kind of handles does it have and why? Let us find. You also perform the activities this in previous class in 6 standards. Recalls to make an electric circuit to test whether electricity can pass through an object or not. You might have performed the activity the various object in class 6. Now repeat the activity with materials mentioned in the table 4.3. Observe the group these materials in good conductor and poor conductor. Conductor means that is the flow of electricity. In the flow of substance, the electricity, that is known as conductor. Here some items, that is your materials, that is iron nail, sulfur, coil piece and copper wire. Here iron rod or nail and copper wire, that is a good conductor of electricity as compared to sulfur roll and coal pieces, that is a poor conductor of electricity. Next is your, what do you find the use of aluminium and copper wires? Have you seen wire of koila? And definitely not. The property of metal by which it can be drawn into wires is called ductility. मीन्स कि जब भी हम किसी भी मेटल्स को हम एक सिंपल वायर की कन्वर्जन में फॉर्म कर सकते हैं, दैट इज़ योर डक्टिलिटी. ठीक है, और हम यहाँ पे बोल सकते हैं कि हम 2 ग्राम गोल्ड के साथ, ठीक है, 1 किलोमीटर तक की लंबी वायर्स में उसको कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है. ठीक है, डक्टिलिटी मीन्स कि किसी भी मेटल्स को यहाँ पे वायर की फॉर्म में शो करना, यानी कि उसको कन्वर्ट करना. जो ऐसे भी मेटल्स ऐसी प्रॉपर्टीज़ को शो करेंगे, दैट इज़ योर मेटल्स. Have you ever noticed the difference in sound on dropping the iron sheet, plate, and metal coin and a piece of koila on the floor? If not, you can try it now. And do you not any difference in the sound produced? सो आप लोगों ने ये एक्टिविटी घर पे करके देखनी है. ठीक है, क्योंकि आयरन शीट, प्लेट, मेटल्स या फिर कोई पीस ऑफ कोयला इन द फ्लोर में ट्राई करके देखना और उसकी साउंड प्रोड्यूस में डिफरेंस देखना है आपको. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट आपके पास बोला गया यहाँ पे कि हैव यू सीन वुडन बेल्स इन द टेम्पल्स? कैन यू गिव अ रीज़न? द थिंग्स मेड ऑफ मेटल्स प्रोड्यूस्ड अ रिंग साउंड व्हेन स्ट्रक हार्ड, एंड सपोज you have two boxes similar in appearance, one made of wood and other of metals. Can you tell which box is made up of metals and by strike both the boxes? Since metals produced ring sound, they are said to be sonorous, and these materials other than metals are not sonorous. ठीक है, thank you and have a nice day.